In this video, you will get the best out of your VS Code and it will shine like a beautiful star in the sky. Okay, shut up. Basically, I found the best VS Code extensions you could ever find in the modern society. And the good part is, you didn't hear about them at all. Wanna know them? Well, that sounds like a you problem. Get your coffee ready and let's go. But before we start, consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more content like this. As a JavaScript developer, did you ever dream of making an arrow function in just 1 second? Well, I got you the first extension. This extension will make you any arrow function you could imagine in less than a second. Head over to the extensions tab in your VS Code and write arrow function snippets. Download the extension and let's use it. To make an arrow function, just type const, then name the function. After that, basically type the commands that I'm going to tell you. Write AFEE and it'll immediately create a function. Awesome, right? We're not done yet. To create a function with a parameter and a return statement, just type AFEA. To make a function with a parameter without a return statement, just type AFEEA. To make an arrow function without curly braces, just type AF. To make an arrow function that returns an await constant, just type AAAFEA. I think we got a lot of F's here. And there's many more. Check out the documentation. Now, are you tired from opening the error message by hovering over the fucking red line? Well, it's time to use error lines extension. It'll show you the error next to the line of code. It's very simple and easy, just install it and you're good to go. Have you ever wondered how the hell people create coding images like this? Did they become the legend of Photoshop or something? Well, no, they're just using CodeSnap extension. Just press Ctrl-Shift-P, then type CodeSnap and select the code you want to show and you're good to go. Wanna know why your code looks so fucking ugly? That's because of your comments. Download the Better Comments extension and start typing color for comments. Write a star for green comments. Write exclamation mark for red comments. Write question mark for blue comments. Write to do for a to do. Do you want to make AI work for you? Well, that's not the case, but tab 9 will give you code suggestions and a little bit of advanced auto-completion. Just download it and you're good to go. This next extension will let you know how much your import storage is. Download import cost and you'll find a text next to your imports that tells you how many kilobytes or megabyte it is. Mobile View is made for web developers and its name talks about it. It just gives you a mobile screen to preview the responsiveness of your website. Although I don't recommend using it while developing the website because it doesn't have an inspector. Hungry delete is another way of not pressing the backspace 100 times when you need to delete empty spaces. Just download it from the extensions tab and go for any big space you have in your code and press Ctrl backspace and boom. GitLens is another perfect way to supercharge your Git workflow, but I mainly put it here because it shows you the last time you edited your code by displaying some text next to each line you select. And the coolest shit in this video, back to JavaScript developers, we have Turbo Console Log, which can let you console any variable you want by just selecting it and pressing Ctrl-Alt-L. And here you go, a console log in 0.0002 seconds. I don't know what that is, but okay. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.